Hello mga ka-boomers! We're here again at Wash Hub. We usually visit their shop every other week for car cleaning or car washing. We record this video on how they manage their service. Indeed, we prefer this Wash Hub since we are satisfied with their service. And as what we experience with the other shop, other car wash service, they are great on their job. So we always coming back to them. So guys, you must try also their service to see the difference between the others. To see the difference with the other shop. So that's it, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Sila to check out. Napapunas sa engine. Ha? Napapunas sila sa engine. Iikot sana ako. Madulas kasi ito pagbasa mo. Parang matugkil na dyan, oh. May bagong ano. Yun, oh. May bagong tama. We're here at The House Kitchen by Chona. Anong in-order mo? Ay, wait lang. What's your order for today? Yung mango, blah, blah, blah. First page. In-order ko beach mango, chicken inasal. Then, sa kanya, merienda lornet. Then, fresh buko for me. And, may beers ka kasi. May kasama ng beers yun sa'yo. May ice cream. May ice cream? Ice tea? Ay, ice cream. Nabibingi ako. Ice cream. Bawal siya sa ice cream. Diet. Pero pwede yung mga beers. Wag lang beer. Bawal sa beef. Chicken lang. Tsaka pork. Bawal din. Pinasa pa? May specific na seafood na hindi pwede. Pero mga lean meat daw pwede. Para sa cholesterol. Ay, cholesterol! Tayo magagawa. Mga lean na isda. Pero mga shrimp. Goodbye! Bye! Later, dancing and order.
Bakit daw may... buko juice muna. Dapat ganyan yung pagka-open nila nun, no? Para makain mo yung loob. Ibang sa banana leaf. Sarap daw.
Kaya 160.
Dami. Dapat kainin mo lahat yan para mabusog ka.
Bakit nagugutom?
Peach mango. Bakit inasal? Diba? Sarap. Yung strawberry. Strawberry ang inuna. Okay, Filipino merienda. Sa kanyang kanon. Palabok, butter chicken, Shanghai. Okay, let's eat. First bite.